And then possible is pwede natin siya i-match yung base sa top din. Or pwede natin din siya i-gigil. Yung first top kasi mas straighter nga lang yung cutting ng skin niya.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon na. It's already 4 p.m. and this is my typical time na nagigising ako. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 2, which is masyadong maaga. Pero ito talaga yung pinaka-okay ko nagising 4 p.m. as someone who works from home and someone who works night shift. So what I do first, once I wake up, is nagla-light cleaning lang ako dito sa condo. Vacuum, number 1. Lagi yan, or araw-araw yan. Kasi we do have a dog, which is yun nga, si Sabi. She's a hypoallergenic dog, meaning hindi siya masyadong naglalagas yung fur niya. Pero meron at meron pa din na nalalagas sa kanya. So yun yung mini-make sure ko na nakukuha ng vacuum kasi yun yung mas nakaka-allergy or medyo nakaka-hatching. And then make ng bed, fix ng sofa, and then wash the dishes. So, I'm aiming na before 5 is matapos ko to lahat. And today is a US holiday. So, thank you so much for US holiday dahil wala kaming pasok. Sa work ko, we are also following Philippine and US holiday. So, yung Philippine holiday, you just have the option kung gusto mong mag-work or pwede din namang hindi. Hindi siya talaga mandatory na papasok ka. It's really up to you if you want to work or not. Pero pag US holiday, talagang no work. So, today is a US holiday, so it's going to be a chill day for me.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate.
What I'm gonna show you next is ang very beloved namin na vacuum. So, I got this nung lumipat kami dito sa condo. Meron talaga kaming vacuum before, which is yung mga mahahaba, yung parang Dyson. And it's color orange, pero hindi siya Dyson na. Pero nung paglipat kasi namin dito sa condo, nung ginamit ko na siya, nag-stop siya. Hindi talaga siya gumana at all. Pinaayos namin, pero talagang wala. Nasira na yata talaga yung machine, which is weird kasi hindi namin siya masyadong ginagamit dun sa dati naming apartment. So, nung paggamit namin ito, which is yung kailangan namin, nasira siya. Nakipaglaro sa sana. And by that time, kailangan na namin ng vacuum na makuha talaga namin agad. So, wala kaming ibang way kundi pumunta lang sa mall and dun mag-purchase. Kasi pag online, hihintayin pa namin. Kailangan na nga namin that day ng vacuum. So, sa mall, medyo alam naman natin na sobrang pricey ng mga vacuums. And yung mga affordable lang is itong nabili namin. And also, yung nabili namin before, which is ayaw na rin namin kasi ang bilis pala niyang masira. And hindi rin kami makabili ng super mahal na vacuum kasi syempre hindi pa natin nababudget. Biglaan yung mga nangyari. So, yun. We ended up buying this vacuum. This was on sale. And around 1,500 lang namin siya nabili. And, I'm gonna show you what it is. Tada! This is my Lotus vacuum. It's very small. Yan. I know, mahirap siya. Kasi hindi siya yung pwede kang tumayo kasi hindi ito straight. So, every time na nagva-vacuum ako, medyo naka-sit down position lang ako. And then, that's it. Later, makikita nyo paano ako mag-vacuum. Nandito si Sabi. Hindi hintay na i-throw yung ball niya. See? Let's throw the ball. Wow! This is the position kapag magva-vacuum. squat. Hindi natin squat eh. Sitting position talaga siya. And, let's start.
Both on the same wave, nothing but a clear when there's a whole lot. Fast from to the sun that I don't even like this. Now I feel the difference if you won't be a child. Why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why would I? I should have known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab. Wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's no line.
Pating yung violet. So, done na kami sa church. And ngayon, ang gagawin namin is papa-car wash. Pero mukhang uulan. So, hopefully, maabutan namin na hindi muna umulan. Kasi sayang. And then, pupunta kami sa circuit to buy some other stuff na hindi namin nabili kahapon dun sa Landmark. Kasi nagmamadali na kami dahil kay Sabi. Kasi umuulan na. So, yun. Happy.